Welcome back to Primetime Sports Sunday. Title holders Portmore United and Waterhouse will be looking to drive home their respective advantages in the second leg semi-final matches in the Red Stripe Premier League on Monday at the National Stadium. But Mount Pleasant Academy and Cavalier are seeing their glasses as half empty and will be hoping to have a full say at the end of their second leg matches.
Only a goal separates Portmore United from Mount Pleasant Academy following the defending champions' 2-1 victory in their first leg semi-final match. But Portmore would tell you it's better to be the hunted than the hunter in this instance. With little breathing space between the two teams, it could come down to who makes the least mistakes.
It's just for us now to be positive with our play, being more focused and less giveaways, and just stay focused to see out the game.
Mount Pleasant are built on defense and are the worst attacking of the 4 remaining teams. But General Manager David Galloway says something has to give.
And if we want to find ourselves in the finals, we have to put in more than what we are doing now. And that is to, when we get the chances to score the goals, we score them.
They are at least 90 minutes away from the final, but don't mention that to either team.
The team, all the tournament want the title. Everybody think about the title, but that's the last step.
I have to get to the final first before I can think about anything else. I have to think about getting past Mount Pleasant first before I think about anything else.
Cavaliers' task of overturning their deficit is a bit more difficult, as whatever they do, they must win by 3 clear goals if they're to get the job done in the next 90 minutes. But then again, never count a man out before the lights fade.
If my mother was here, she'd tell you that I'm a fighter. I never give up. I never say die. So going to this game, my mindset will be that always fight and helping my team as best as possible. And I hope my teammates have that same mentality.
As quick as we can blink, and the 2-goal cushion can be lost. But we're very much going to put on the ascendancy to solidify our place going to the final come the 29th of April.
But goals have to be scored, and more so on the part of Cavalier.
We know that we can score goals, so each one of us up front and in the midfield has to turn up.
Coach Lira said last week after the game that Waterhouse doesn't have much more to offer. Well, I guess Monday we'll see what more we have to offer.
Waterhouse and Cavalier will get the ball rolling at 5:30 p.m. before Portmore United do battle against Mount Pleasant Academy starting at 8:35. Jermaine Brown reporting for TVJ Sports.